So if you work in HR, learning and development, or people and culture, then one of the things you're probably always thinking about, especially these days, is diversity and inclusion. Especially, kind of how you can promote diversity and create an inclusive environment, but also to make sure that everyone feels like their voice can be heard, right? And that they have a chance to contribute meaningfully and have a positive impact on your business. And so that's a big part of what we do at PowerProv, is creating that kind of safe space for people to do exactly that.
And that sense of belonging and status. I think we play a lot with status as well. So people leave with having a feeling of inclusivity. They feel they belong. They feel their opinions and their ideas are valid and accepted, which is an amazing feeling to have in a group of people. And some people it comes very natural to some people, other people it doesn't come very natural to them. So it takes quite a bit of time for some people to open up and share part of themselves. So we like to be those people to help that environment.
Yeah, and one of the ways we do that is by helping create that ensemble mindset, that we, not me philosophy. And it's the foundation of everything we do really at PowerProv, is helping create that safe space for people, for everyone, right? And I think what's really interesting is not only the way that from the start of, people transform from the beginning of a workshop to the end of a workshop. And, one of the most joyful things for us is watching the introverts really come out of their shells and participate in a big way. But also, I love is there's usually one person in every workshop who's like, I don't want to be here. My boss made me come. I got calls to make, and then by the end of the workshop, they're like, everyone needs to do this, right? And I love that journey because they've gone so far, right? They've gone from, I don't want to do this, to everyone should do this. Whereas like the extroverts who came into the room who are like, this should be fun. Oh, that was fun. And I learned something, right? So their journey is not any less valuable, but it's less dramatic, I guess, right? Yeah. So I think in terms of diversity and inclusion, PowerProv training can really bring a lot to your organization.